When I first started freelancing, most of my time was consumed by logistics, writing proposals, sending follow-ups, managing revisions, tracking deadlines. None of it was paid work. It's worse, it was draining my focus and creativity. You spend hours on tasks that do not contribute directly to revenue until now. This inefficiency is the hidden tax every freelancer pays. The first step was identifying repetitive tasks. My list included writing outreach emails, crafting proposals, managing client onboarding, setting deadlines and reminders, following up on payments, delivering work, and getting testimonials. Then came the AI tools. I built my automation stack around 3 pillars: communication, project management, delivery, and follow-up. The result? Emails that feel personal but take me under 2 minutes to generate. Let us explore each. For client outreach, I now use ChatGPT and SmartWriter AI. These tools generate cold emails and pitch templates in seconds. But here's the key. I do not just copy and paste generic prompts. Instead, I feed AI specific client data like job titles, industry tone, or their recent LinkedIn posts. For ongoing communication, I use Lavender AI to optimize tone, clarity, and subject lines, improving open rates and reducing back-and-forth confusion. Once a client says yes, I hand off onboarding to Notion AI. Using pre-built templates, Notion automatically generates a welcome guide. Contract terms, delivery timelines. Check-in milestones. I integrate it with Zapier, so as soon as a new client signs a proposal in Bonsai or HelloSign, it triggers the Notion onboarding space to populate with all the data. This alone saves me 45 to 60 minutes per client. My project tracker uses AI-generated task breakdowns. I enter the deliverable, and AI suggests timelines, subtasks, and dependencies. I no longer build project plans manually. When it comes to actual work, be it writing, design, or research, I use ChatGPT 4, Jasper, and Canva AI to handle drafts, outlines, visuals, and more. For revisions, I use Grammarly Premium AI to suggest corrections before submission. Everything is stored in Google Drive, linked with Notion and Trello AI extensions. Once completed, I use Zapier again. When I drop the file into the delivery folder, the client receives a branded message with access links, frequently asked questions, and a thank you note written by AI. One of the most overlooked aspects of freelancing is follow-up. I automate this too. Using MailChimp and Zapier, clients automatically receive a feedback form, a testimonial request, a reminder to leave a LinkedIn recommendation. This process has doubled my testimonial collection rate and increased referrals by 34%. Each message is generated by AI, customized to their project. After setting up these systems, here is what changed. My client onboarding time dropped from 2 hours to under 15 minutes. I cut my email workload in half. I recovered 8 to 10 hours every week. You need to work smarter and smarter today means working with AI. And I scaled my monthly income by taking on 2 to 3 additional projects without burning out. This was not hustle, it was systems thinking, powered by artificial intelligence. You do not need to work harder to grow your freelance business. Start small. Automate one process this week. As you build, you will create a freelance business that runs efficiently, sustainably, and profitably even while you sleep. If this video helped you rethink your workflow, subscribe for more AI-driven systems to grow your income, save time, and work better.